Yeah, right. No, you didn't. Did you really?
Yeah, obviously I did.
Say wallah. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow. You guys are crazy.
What's up guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm feeling a lot better today.
What is happening?
I'm feeling much better. We have to go and get everything we need for today's Iftar. So we gotta go, me and Ahmed grocery shopping. We should have done this yesterday. So we are headed out. As per usual, I am ready and you are not.
Most clothes look better on me than they look on you. So you just need to just accept it.
Here's the consensus. Everyone feels bad for Ahmed. They're like, oh, I feel so bad for Ahmed.
There's nothing to feel bad about.
You abuse Ahmed.
No, I don't think so.
Is that what an abused person would say?
Probably.
So we're gonna go grocery shopping at a little store next to our house and get what we need. But it's gonna be hell bringing it back home because we have to walk home with all our grocery bags.
Stop your whining.
Because we don't have a car.
You need to work on those buys, dude.
I know.
Strengthen them.
I know. I have
no upper body strength.
I have no upper body strength, but I have pretty good lower body strength. Come on, man. You can't walk in front of me. Then you ruin the whole shop.
This is what clueless grocery store shopping looks like with Melanie. She doesn't know what she wants. Where's your list, fool?
My list is right here.
Okay. See, she just made it a 360.
I just want to stick to the basics. Ahmed gets so excited with weird stuff. Look at this. Should we get this? Should we get this? Let me find something funky that you would pick. Sweet onion sea salt blend.
No.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah, I kind of would.
Yeah, see, you're into it.
Yeah, because I want to try it. Try new things.
I just want to
Instead
get
of the same
on
old,
the
same
list
old.
and get out.
This is the list that will never end. Look at this.
Let's get these instead because they're sturdier.
Have you tested them? Did you do the drop test? No.
Should we get cute napkins or should we just...
No, we should get ugly napkins. Your hijab's game kind of off today.
I know. You know why? Because I didn't...
What's happening?
I didn't put my hair in a bun. It's just in a ponytail.
You ain't representing, dude.
It keeps riding back. Wait, are you saying it looks uglier because my hair's showing?
Because it looks ugly.
This is where Ahmed lives, in the Gouda, in the cheese department.
These are the Goudas that you want. The one with the red wrapping.
Why?
I don't know, they're always better.
Case in point, look what Ahmed got. What is that?
Horseradish aioli that we all love and appreciate.
Okay, throw it in. All right, let's do this thing. Let's roll out. Your hair's jacked up.
Not nice.
My hijab is all over the place.
Like I said, your hijab game is off today.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I just threw it on.
Bye.
No, come on, I have bags. So annoying. Ahmed!
So you finished the 2 pots of chicken that we're gonna be baking. And then now she's putting the bechamel sauce on the pasta and the ground beef.
So this is like my interpretation of macaroni bechamel because the Egyptian kind is just like so bland and it needed something. I do a lot more to the meat than you're supposed to, and then I obviously put spinach, which is not in the recipe, and then I put Gouda on top of the spinach because it just needs kick. Look how creamy. So I thought right now might be a good time to talk about how we as women can make sure that we're still participating in Ramadan and getting all the blessings, even when we're not praying when we're on our period and not fasting. One thing, first and foremost, I mean, one of the best things you can do in Ramadan is feed a fasting person. As you all know, to have an iftar at your house takes a ton of work, a ton of time. You're cooking all day and then you're cleaning afterwards. So what I do every Ramadan is I try and pack in all of my azayim, my like iftars at my house during the time when I know that I'm not praying. I'm doing all of my iftars right now. So today is, you know, I'm inviting the team over. It's just easy for me to cook and clean, and I don't have to worry about missing prayers or, you know, not making tarawih or whatever it is. And on top of it, since you're not fasting, you can actually taste your food, so it's a total win-win. Also, this is the time now to be, you know, shopping for your Eid gifts, shopping for your Eid clothes, all the donations that you want to give this month. Use this time to do that busy work that could distract you possibly when you are fasting and you need to get your prayers in and recite your Quran. The other thing is, even though you're not praying, still continue to wake up for Fajr. Now, the first couple days on your period, I know it's like really difficult. I sure as hell did not do that the last 2 days. You need those days to recuperate. Your body needs its haqq. It's right on you, which is to rest up and let your body just do what it needs to do. But then after that, you know, like you're fine basically for however long your cycle goes. I'm sure you guys have gone through it where you go through, I mean, I myself, I have like 9-10 day cycles, so I'll, you know, make ghusl, it's time to pray again, and then I'll like miss a prayer because I'm so used to not praying. So the hardest prayer is Fajr. And so if you make it a habit to wake up every single day, even when you're not praying, then you're much more likely for that habit to stick and for you to actually continue waking up for Fajr, even when you're back on prayer. Because I know how hard it is. It's so hard to start waking up again after you haven't been waking up for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. So still wake up, and when you do wake up, just do adhkar, do some istighfar, repentance. You know, you can do any tasbih you want. Make time during that time to say all your du'as, to, of course, reciting Quran is not something that we do, but you can certainly read the translation of the Quran, tafsir of the Quran, whatever it is that you might want to be studying, whether it's fiqh or it's seerah of the Rasul or the hadith, anything that you are into that you want to know more about, use that time. Just get up 10 minutes, do some adhkar, maybe read one chapter in a book so that you continue that practice of waking up for Fajr. So there's a ton we can do, and we shouldn't treat it as time off. Although I know it's hard, you know, it's easy to see it as a break, but really it's not a break, it's a rahmah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us as women because our bodies are going through so much and we do need that time to rest. Anyways, I hope that was helpful, and we can all continue to have some incredible ibadah even when we're not praying. Sit down, how are you? Hi. Oh my God, what is going on over there? Did you make it?
And poor little Malik is still sleeping.
What's the commander?
What are you doing, Manmoy?
Standard style play where everyone plays with a card deck.
This is the life. This is the life. Alright. Smells good. Look at the chicken. We got some rice. Look at that steam. I feel like you need help with that.
No, I'm good. That's later.
Ooh,
we just put it there.
that was awesome. Everything in here.
Yeah, so they're having an iftar at their house next weekend.
Noor made alaya. Thanks, Noor. You're the bomb diggity, man.
It's Asafiyah, not Ataya.
Oh, it's Asafiyah. My gosh, I can't believe you did this for eating. How's the food?
Amazing.
Veronica. How was the food?
It's all posed for the camera.
I know, that's all you guys did, is just posed. How was the food? Was it good? Oh my god, I want to eat that now. They're deep into conversation, but I think that they enjoyed the food. I think so.
So good.
Yay!
Now, what
Okay.
It was so
You're such a freak. Okay, this was the best Iftar. I hardly got any footage. The best. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.